For more than 20 years, Google has been the undisputed leader when it comes to searching for information online. It's become such a staple in our daily lives that it's hard to imagine a world without it. In fact, Googling isn't just a brand name anymore, it's a verb woven into our conversations and routines. But in the fast-paced world of technology, no giant is invincible forever. Remember when Nokia dominated mobile phones, or when Blockbuster was the king of movie rentals? Even the biggest names can fall if they fail to adapt. Now, artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the way we search for information, introducing new possibilities and challenges. We're shifting away from typing keywords and scrolling through endless blue links. Instead, we're starting to expect direct conversational answers that save us time and effort. Enter Perplexity AI, a bold new startup that's reimagining search as an answer engine. It aims to give you exactly what you need, not just a list of websites to check. Instead of sifting through dozens of results, you get a clear, synthesized answer, complete with reliable sources you can trust. Backed by some of Silicon Valley's most influential investors, Perplexity is growing at an impressive pace and is now seen as a real challenger to Google's long-standing dominance. But is this just another tech trend, or are we witnessing the beginning of a true revolution in how we find and use information? The next few years could completely redefine how we all interact with knowledge online, changing habits we've had for decades. So, let's dive deeper and explore what makes Perplexity so different and why it might just change the way we search forever. Perplexity AI is like having a conversation with a highly intelligent research assistant, one that's powered by the latest advancements in artificial intelligence technology. Simply ask a question in plain English, and it will diligently scan the vast web, read through top sources, and deliver a concise, well-cited answer right to you. Say goodbye to the frustration of wading through endless pages filled with ads or low-quality content. Perplexity AI provides direct, trustworthy information at your fingertips. Each answer is accompanied by clickable citations, allowing you to verify facts instantly and ensuring the information is reliable. This level of transparency builds trust and effectively tackles the overwhelming information overload of traditional search engines. Launched in 2022, Perplexity quickly gained traction, attracting a wide user base and major investors like Jeff Bezos and Nvidia, who saw its potential. Their mission? To revolutionize how we access information, making it faster, clearer, and more reliable for everyone. It's not just a product, it's a movement to rethink and reshape the very nature of search itself, paving the way for the future. Perplexity's founders are AI veterans from OpenAI, Google, Meta, and DeepMind. CEO Aravind Srinivas helped build the very models now powering this new era. Their goal: create the world's most trustworthy answer engine, one that delivers accurate, sourced information, not just links. They believe the ad-driven search model is outdated. Instead, they want knowledge to be a utility fast, reliable, and accessible to all. Citations and transparency aren't just features, they're core principles, especially in an age of misinformation. By connecting AI to real-time web data and forcing it to cite sources, Perplexity aims to combine conversational power with factual reliability. That's the vision driving their rapid growth. Perplexity's clean, conversational interface stands out immediately. Its AI synthesizes answers from multiple sources, perfect for complex questions. Every statement is linked to a source, letting you fact-check instantly. This transparency addresses a major flaw in other AI chatbots, which can hallucinate facts. Perplexity Pro, their subscription tier, unlocks advanced models, unlimited file uploads, and a co-pilot assistant that refines your queries. They're expanding fast, with browser extensions, their own browser, and global partnerships like Le Monde and Airtel. The goal: make Perplexity available wherever you search. It's a bold move to become a global player in the information space. And it's working. Users are taking notice. Google search is built on ads. Every time you type in a query, you're not just searching for answers, you're also being shown a carefully curated selection of advertisements designed to grab your attention. Perplexity's Pro model, on the other hand, is subscription-based. Instead of relying on ad revenue, it asks users to pay for a premium experience. That means Google wants you to click more links and ads, keeping you in their ecosystem for as long as possible. Meanwhile, Perplexity's goal is to give you the best answer, fast, cutting through the noise, and getting you what you need in seconds. Google's results are often cluttered with ads and distractions, making it harder to find what you're really looking for. Perplexity is clean, ad-free, and focused solely on delivering answers, not selling your attention. Even Microsoft's Bing, with its new AI features, still feels like an add-on to the old search model, not a true reinvention of how we find information online. But Perplexity's approach isn't without controversy. Its rapid rise has sparked heated debates in the tech and publishing worlds. Summarizing content raises copyright concerns. Questions about fair use and intellectual property are front and center. Publishers worry about lost traffic and revenue, fearing that fewer clicks mean less support for their work. The industry is grappling with how to balance innovation and supporting content creators, searching for solutions that benefit everyone. For users, it's a real choice. Stick with Google's familiar approach, or try a new way to search that promises speed, clarity, and fewer distractions. For publishers, it's a wake-up call to adapt, innovate, and rethink how they reach their audiences in this changing landscape. Perplexity's rise proves even giants can be challenged when technology shifts and new ideas take hold. The future of search is being rewritten right now, by bold startups and shifting user expectations. The question is, are you ready to perplex instead of Google, and be part of this new era in search?